Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about how an investment grow from 10,000 INR to 65 crores. The face value of the share is the value assigned to when it was issued. The face value is the value of the company as listed in two books and share certificates. In 1970, ITC was issued an IPO. The IPO price was 3, the face value was 10. For the investment of 10,000, you will get 3,334 shares. In 1978, ITC issued 1:5 bonus. You will get 4,000 shares. The face value remains 10. In 1980, ITC issued 1:5 bonus. You will get 4,800 shares. Then face value remains 10. In 1989, ITC issued 1:1 bonus. You will get 9,600 shares. The face value remains 10. Srivani Online Tutoring is the best place to study CBSE, Maths and Science. Their coaching gives you skills and confidence, offering courses at discount prices. You can study from your place via online, one-to-one. Further details, please contact the details below in the screen. In 1999, ITC issued 3:5 bonus. You will get 15,353 shares. The face value remains 10. In 1994, ITC issued 1:1 bonus. You will get 30,706 shares. The face value remains 10. In 2005, ITC issued 1:2 bonus. You will get 46,059 shares. The face value remains 10. In 2005, ITC have 1:10 split. So for that is so every one share you will get 10 shares. So total number of shares you will get 4,60,590 shares. The face value remains 10. So in remarks 2005, ITC have 1:10 split in 2005. In 2010, ITC have 1:1 bonus. You will get 9,21,180 shares. The face value remains 1. In 2016, ITC give 1:2 bonus. You will get 13,81,700 shares. Then face value remains 1. In 1970, if you invested 10,000 in IPO, that time stock was trading at 3. That time you will get 3,334 shares. If you to hold till 2016, so you will get 13,81,700 shares. 13,81,700 shares into last year the ITC was given dividend of 13.75 crore 89,98,375, approximately only 1 crore 90,000 dividends every year. Can I get the return like this? If you invest today in ITC, you will get the return like this. ITC grow as the large cap company with a 1-year return of 4.06%. The last 5 years return, absolute return is 94.4% only. So the average return for 5 years is 18.8% only. Keynotes in yearly, the few companies have given the return like this: Infosys, Reliance, and Titan, etc. Were the multi-baggers. If you want the same kind of return, research and invest 20-25 stocks. Invest in the early stage and hold it for next 20 years. If any fundamental issue with that stock, sold immediately. Hold other stocks, you will get more possibility to get the good return like this. About this video, friends, press the like button and subscribe my channel and follow me for more financial videos.